Ladies and gentlemen, the reviewing officer of today's parade, Air Chief Marshal Zaheer Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military, Hilal-e-Jurrat, Chief of Air Staff, will now address the parade.
Major General Iftikhar Hassan Chaudhry, Commandant Pakistan Military Academy, distinguished guests, faculty members, and my dear graduating cadets, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is a matter of great honor for me to attend passing out parade at Pakistan Military Academy Kakul. On this happy occasion, I congratulate the future leaders of Pakistan Army on the successful completion of basic military training at this premier institution. My appreciation to those who have won distinctions through their commendable performance. I'm indeed happy to see lady cadets being part of today's parade, which signifies their resolve to take up the challenge of joining this demanding profession. I also extend my heartiest compliments to the graduating cadets from friendly countries of Iraq, Maldives, Mali, Nepal, Palestine, Qatar, and Sri Lanka for achieving this milestone. I am sure you will not only keep the flag of your nations high, but also of this great institution and be the ambassador of Pakistan in your respective countries. Dear cadets, Pakistan Military Academy is one of the best institutions in the world. We also renew our pledge to continue moral, political, and diplomatic support of Kashmiri brothers in their just struggle of self-determination. Ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude, I would like to especially commend the Commandant Pakistan Military Academy and his well-motivated and professionally competent team for their concentrated effort towards training and grooming of this energetic youth. I once again congratulate the graduating cadets and distinction holder on their well-deserved accomplishment. I also offer my congratulations to their parents and family. May Allah grant us strength to serve our beloved country with honor, dignity, and responsibility in line with the finest tradition of our predecessor. Ameen. Pakistan Army, Zindabad. Pakistan, Paindabad.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।